Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore 60 plus essential containment and storage equipment vocabulary to boost your English skills. Let's dive in and expand your word bank. Box. Box. Crate. Crate. Bin. Bin. Chest. Chest. Barrel. Barrel. Canister. Canister. Drum. Drum. Carton. Carton. Pallet. Pallet. Bale. Bale. Sack. Sack. Bag. Bag. Cask. Cask. Keg. Keg. Vessel. Vessel. Tank. Tank. Silo. Silo. Vat. Vat. Cylinder. Cylinder. Intermediate bulk container. Intermediate bulk container. Containment unit. Containment unit. Reactor vessel. Reactor vessel. Pressure vessel. Pressure vessel. Tote bin. Tote bin. Locker. Locker. Cabinet. Cabinet. Safe. Safe. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Freezer. Freezer. Vault. Vault. Humidor. Humidor. Toolbox. Toolbox. Ammo box. Ammo box. Dumpster. Dumpster. Cooler. Cooler. Envelope. Envelope. Package. Package. tote, tote. Parcel, parcel. Tube, tube. Jerrycan, jerrycan. Pouch, pouch. Foil wrap, foil wrap. Flask, flask. Beaker, beaker. Jug, jug. Carboy, carboy. Jerrycan, jerrycan. Dewar flask, dewar flask. Jar, jar. Bottle, bottle. Tumbler, tumbler. Vial, vial. Tube, tube. Case, case. Can, can. Composter, composter. Septic tank, septic tank. Waste bin, waste bin. Recycling bin, recycling bin. Hazmat container, hazmat container. Lid, lid. Tray, tray. Dispenser, dispenser. Bunker, bunker. Thanks for watching our video on 60+ containment and storage equipment vocabulary in English. We hope you found it helpful and learned some new terms to improve your vocabulary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more language learning content. Also, let us know in the comments which word was new for you or if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. See you in the next one, and keep expanding your vocabulary.